Sorry, my girlfriend's just a little crazy.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What? Nothing. I didn't say. I said sorry. My girlfriend's just a little crazy. I thought so much higher than you. Higher of you. My God. Words, man. Words are like
Words
tough
are
and
difficult.
stuff, you know?
Let's understand.
Dude, right? Like God.
Always open.
I know you're only 12 years old, but like, how's that stock portfolio coming?
Hey, man. Hey, okay. First of all, if there's anything you want to get from this stream, and if you want to actually learn something right now, start investing literally in a couple years. If you do, you're gonna be a millionaire by the time you're 50 or 60, man.
I'm just now starting to get into it, and honestly, I wish I would have started a while ago.
Yeah, me too. Literally just started when we're like early 20s, and that's early, and that's good. But you know, earlier the better.
Yeah.
So the earlier you can start, the better.
Yeah, most people don't start getting into it until they're like later into their 20s, 30s. And the earlier you start,
So definitely,
more money you're gonna make in the long run.
Definitely look into it. Oof, there goes the head. What doesn't this game have?
Don't forget to wrap up. Hey man, never forget to wrap up. Always wrap it before you tap it. Oh, I found the funny rabbit. Oh, it's getting sliced and diced. God damn it, every time.
Jesus Christ.
Hang on, I need to get my heart rate down again.
Are you slicing the body?
No. Oh, finally, something fell out of one of them. I'm getting money out of them now. There, see? It's just a bloody opinion.
You're making it rain, bro. By the facing some.
Oh.
Wow, that's
How? Not this way.
not that way.
That's the pool.
Oh, okay.
And I didn't bring the swimming suit. Alright.
Oh, he's dead. Shit.
What? How'd you die?
Not beans, they mushed beans. No, beans.
You know when he mushes our beans and gets away with it? Yeah, you got it. Oh god, there's another one. Dumb bitch.
So low.
That's what you get.
Chopped up his whole body.
Yes, I did. Better left his head.
Dropping down this cliff. Oh, I fell too. Almost died. Wow, I made it to the bottom before the body. That's impressive.
Oh, I'm in the hole. The hole is here. Alright. Carefully don't fall. Do it!
Okay.
It's for science.
It's for science.
He did it for science!
Okay. Just went on straight in there.
I mean, I thought you were going to be...
I thought you were gonna be climbing down, but...
Yeah, I...
Just kinda...
Yep, I
Yeah,
thought you were going to use the climbing axe. I didn't...
And he's dead. Rip.
Yeah. Okay.
Rip.
Well, we're not...
That's...
Yeah, we're... Yeah.
Rip.
I can't. I'm not going to go get you. I'm not. I'm sorry. Yeah, I didn't know you meant you were just going to hurl yourself off the ledge like that. But again, I appreciate your dedication to science. Yeah,
I appreciate it.
I'll give you a golf clap.
Yeah, a little
golf clap for effort. Golf clap for effort.
A for effort too. A for effort.
Alright, well, we're gonna go...
Thank you for sacrificing your body to science, beans.
Yes, it will not go in vain. Now we know not to jump down into the hole.
That's well, if you didn't know, now you know.
You know. I have one question for you. What does the fox say?
Ding 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 ding. This body knows how to dance too. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding.
Oh, I just smacked you in the head. Can I please eat? Can I please have something to eat? No. Let me know if you know what that is in the comments. What that's from. Let me know if you know what that's from.
Stop burning yourself, Bean. We don't want fried bean, we want regular bean.
I don't know, dude. Fried bean's pretty good.
That's true. Stop hitting me, Bean. What do you want from me?
Bean, if you don't, this is no more dead beans.
No. No.
Exactly. We're from the city. You better watch it.
Bro, this bean is starting to attack me, bro.
Bean, you better behave.
He's chasing me with a chainsaw. You just have a burnt bean. Well, he was burning a lot in the fire, but I don't know why you kept burning yourself in the fire, Bean. Oh, he's dead again. Why doesn't the symbol keep popping up? I'm sorry. Why do you keep burning yourself,
Quit
Bean?
fucking dying.
What do you keep doing?
Knock it off.
Stop burning yourself, Bean. Okay.
Stop! Bean, what the fuck? He's trying to kill me.
Get him. I'm attacking this guy right now.
Dude, actually... Where are you? Are you dying?
No, but okay. Didn't look like I was doing any damage, but now it's died. I think he's had his time out for now.
I think so. I think he's learned his lesson.
No more bean. No more bad bean. Only good bean.
No more,
okay?
No more bad bean.
Only good bean.
You didn't tell me you had people behind you.
Yeah, we'll see. We're attacking each other, I think.
Really?
Anyway, anyone's watching, definitely drop a follow. Me, E2, Syriusness, Serious Devil
Yes,
7
sir.
here. Follow both of us on Twitch. Twitter and YouTube also coming up for him.
Every follow helps, guys. We really want to try to get ourselves out there. We love what we do, and we want to try to spread the love.
Yeah, we're loving this game so far too. Alrighto. Cure death. Cure death.
I'm trying. Ooh, we're trying to.
We're trying to cure death, man.
Mm-hmm.
And I believe curing death is all about bringing happiness to others. Peace and love, brother.